Hey everybody, today we're going to be going over a credit card that has no credit check. It's going to just give you a $1,500 line of credit, which is going to report to all three credit bureaus. And we're going to talk about that coming up. If you don't know me, I'm Will Frazier, your credit expert, bringing you the tips you need to get your credit back on track, because what goes down must come up. And if you don't want your credit score to drop 400 points, make sure you just like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified of any new videos I drop, just like this one. So as mentioned, we're going to be talking about a no credit check card that just gives you a $1,500 line of credit. This is going to be a metal card, which you actually don't have to pay for the metal card like you do with most places. Also, you won't have to pay any interest rate or any fees on any charges with this credit card. Now, it is a debit card, credit card combo, and I'm going to explain how that works and give you some details on that card right now. So first off, what you'll notice is in order to apply for this card, you'll have to do it right here on the web, or you have to download one of the applications from the Google Play Store or from the Apple App Store. But again, just to emphasize that, it will not impact your FICO credit score. Your credit score is not required to apply. However, they will have to, identify you and, get some information on you, like name, address, stuff like that. So that is, of course, with every place that you apply. But just know that this will not affect your credit score to apply for this card. And also, for extra assurity, they guarantee that you will never pay fees or interest. And if for some reason you ever do get a charge or something like that, they will reimburse you for it. But they guarantee that you'll never have to pay interest or fees on that credit while you're trying to build up your credit, which is great because you can build up credit with absolutely no fees. And even if your score isn't where it needs to be, you'll have something that can help you to get approved and start building credit today. It reports to all three bureaus as mentioned, and also this is bank issued, so you don't have to worry about this possibly falling off your credit later on down the line. And it is from a well-established bank in Delaware, I believe, and you can definitely rest assured that you won't have to worry about any issues like that happening with this card. And this card, and the way that it works, does come with a lot of features. Like I said, it is a debit card, credit card combo type situation. So basically, you'll be using the card as a debit card, and you will actually be loading onto it whatever money that you want to spend, and you'll spend money like it's a debit card, but they will have that $1,500 line of credit reporting to your credit report, whether you are using it or not. And as you can see here, they're mentioning how it is a solid, heavy, real metal card. They just give you a better uplifting feeling, I guess, having a metal card versus having a regular plastic card. And they claim here that it weighs more than those fancy black cards, and you didn't have to pay to get it, as I said before. And also some other stuff that they talk about is the Stealth card that they have, which is basically a virtual card that you can generate to be able to make certain purchases that you might want to make online at possibly, sketchy places or places that you don't want to trust really right now. Maybe if you have to sign up for a trial on something and you're not sure if you're going to remember to, cancel the trial, you can create different virtual cards to use for those purchases without having to give out your actual debit card, credit card number to make those purchases. And it's easy for you to cancel those and, regenerate new ones. So it makes it very easy for you to be able to handle certain transactions and have a certain level of comfort and safety knowing that you can, change out that virtual card at any given time. Now, they also let you know that you have access to spending power from your paycheck by getting your deposits up to 2 days early, which is very good. And also they have ATMs that you can use to withdraw cash from, up to 55,000 free ATMs that you can use. And, all deposits to the debit card with them is FDIC insured up to 250,000, because I said it is bank issued. So of course you do have those extra coverages like you would at any other bank. And pretty much when it comes down to it, that is all of the real details that you need to know about this card from Credit AI. Again, it appears to be a really, cool card. It comes in this nice box that you can see. But of course, the real benefit in this is that you can just start this account without affecting your credit score. Again, no credit check. They just give you a $1,500 line of credit. And of course, you're just loading up money like you would on a traditional credit card, a secured credit card, but it's not going to work like a, regular secured credit card. You are just loading up money that you are actually going to spending that money and still having that credit line reported to help you build credit, and they're going to report on time payments on that line of credit for you, and that is going to help you to build your credit without having to take an inquiry and without having to go through some of the extra hoops and fees that you have to go through with normal secure credit cards and other types of credit builder accounts. Plus, you get the cool metal card at the same time. So all of those things make it a real cool benefit to have something like this, and it's practical because it can actually help you and your credit situation. Now, if you have this card already and you've seen some benefit from it already, make sure you leave those comments down below to let everybody else know, how it's helped you or whatnot. And also, I appreciate all you guys for sticking around to the end of the video, and I'm going to link you to some other videos with some accounts that will help you build credit if you are in the space where you're trying to build credit right now. Again, I thank you guys for your time, and I will talk to you next time.